Here's an outside video. Remember last time when it was in the barn at the neighbor's house? All of these sides were off. So actually all of this has been completely rebuilt, and they did that right before it got really bad weather. And so it's been sitting outside all winter here and no leaking from that. So I'm actually pretty impressed that they were able to put all of those walls back together without any leaking, because I just honestly didn't think that they would be able to do that. I thought there would be a lot of leaks, but there weren't. So it lasted all winter with no leaks. So they did manage to get that all put back together. We'll go around the whole outside. Spare tire. The awning's actually not in too bad a shape. There's one tear down on that end, like where it's starting to tear on that end, but it's still really functional. Okay, I'm here in the Merican camper, and you'll remember we gave an update on the progress, and when I gave that update, it was in a million pieces. The walls were all taken off, and you could just see the frame. That has mostly been put back together. They did get all that back together. I know, you're probably surprised, because I was. But the bedroom area, the floor has all been fixed. There's no water damage there. That's all been fixed now. All new flooring and new sticky tiles on the floor in there. And then all the walls, they've been putting up this wallboard stuff. And there's the bed back in. They were trying to put up these sticky tiles. I don't know if that was working out for them, so I think they might be scrapping that plan. Here's the, there's a closet right here. I about dropped my phone. There's another closet right here. These are actually really nice closets. The bathroom is actually in decent shape. That part was in fairly good shape, so that's not too bad. There's the bathtub. Everything in here is in one piece, so that's actually good. A nice towel rack on this door. The couch was torn up, so they took out the couch. They're gonna do something else there, build some kind of platform bed or something. The booth, they've taken out the booth. All of that, the pieces to that are in my basement right now. Here's some cabinets, place for a TV. I don't know what this stuff is. Some kind of electrical stuff. There's the thermostat. Here's the part that the water damage has not been fixed in this half, but the back part looked like this before they fixed it, and they got all that done. Now they really need to take this flooring out, do the same thing that they did to the back half they need to do in here to fix all this flooring. And put something here where the couch was. But the appliances and stuff are in pretty good shape. The cabinets are in really good shape. It has a lot of storage. The refrigerator was not working, so they took that out. They're going to put a different refrigerator in. But you can see where there's all this water damage that still needs to be fixed. And it's a lot of work. But they managed to get the back half fixed, so it's actually a doable project. These are water lines, I guess. I don't really know anything about campers, so whatever all those are, that's all the plumbing to the bathroom. It's hidden under the booth usually. But there it is. So they were pretty, I don't know how close they are on having this finished. He actually listed it the other day because it's looking like a lot of work. So I don't know if they're going to keep it. If they can sell it as is, they might just sell it to someone who knows what they're doing with campers and maybe try to get something else. So see you next time on The House That Never Slumbers.